Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing. Charge the phone to at least 50% and connect to stable Wi-Fi so downloads won't fail. Once done, back up photos, contacts, and app data to the cloud or a PC because resets can erase everything. Next, enable developer options and USB debugging if you can access settings. This speeds advanced fixes like ADB restores. Do these steps now so you avoid interrupted repairs and protect your data before moving into system-level troubleshooting. You should diagnose methodically. Reboot into safe mode to see if a third-party app causes the fault. Safe mode disables non-essential apps so you can test system stability. If an app is at fault, clear its cache or uninstall recent updates to restore normal behavior. For deeper issues, boot into recovery mode, wipe the cache partition to remove corrupt temporary files, and if needed, apply an OTA or sideload update via ADB to repair corrupted system components and preserve You finish by assessing whether software fixes worked. If not, perform a factory reset only after confirming backups because that clears persistent faults. Once reset, reinstall apps selectively and restore data from verified backups to avoid reintroducing problematic apps. If problems persist, unexpected shutdowns, no charge, or physical damage, test the battery and charging port, then consider professional repair. One key troubleshooting tip. If the phone doesn't boot into recovery or shows hardware errors, stop and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.